Once upon a time, in a vibrant meadow blooming with wildflowers, lived a colony of bumblebees. These were no ordinary bumblebees, for they had an extraordinary talent. They could fly high into the sky, among the clouds. The bumblebees, named Buzz, Zip, and Hum, were renowned for their daring flights. They would soar above the meadow, chasing the sun's rays, and dance with the clouds. Their fellow bees watched in awe, for they believed it was their destiny to stay close to the ground. One day, Buzz, the bravest of the bumblebees, announced, "I've had enough of this meadow. I want to explore the world beyond the clouds." The other bumblebees laughed, for they thought it was a whimsical idea. Zip, who was always the adventurous one, agreed, "Buzz is right. Let's go. We might discover new flowers, new friends, and perhaps, new secrets of our own kind." Hum, the wise and thoughtful, nodded in agreement. The three bumblebees prepared for their journey, filling their small bags with pollen and honey, and set off towards the sky. They climbed higher and higher, the air growing thinner, the wind growing colder. But they pressed on, driven by their curiosity and their dreams. As they neared the clouds, they encountered a storm. The wind howled, the rain stung their tiny bodies, but they did not falter. Instead, they huddled together, using their wings to shield each other from the harsh elements. After what felt like an eternity, the storm passed, and they found themselves in a lush forest. They marveled at the beautiful trees and the flowers that bloomed in every color. They discovered a hidden lake, its water sparkling like diamonds in the sunlight. In the distance, they saw a group of bees, larger and more regal than themselves. They introduced themselves as the high-altitude bumblebees, the protectors of the skies. The three bumblebees were greeted warmly, for their journey had not gone unnoticed. The high-altitude bumblebees explained that, for centuries, they had been searching for new pollen sources. They had been struggling, for the meadow had become barren. The three newcomers were hailed as heroes, for they brought with them the pollen they had collected on their journey. The high-altitude bumblebees welcomed Buzz, Zip, and Hum into their colony, and together, they flourished. The meadow bloomed once more, and the other bumblebees watched in awe, inspired by the journey of their peers. The moral of this tale is that curiosity and courage can lead to great discoveries. But remember, no matter how far you venture, always remember your roots and the lessons you learned along the way. For it is these lessons that make you who you are.